Hi friends, welcome back to Mahiti Dunya YouTube channel. This video is especially for first year students 2021 scheme, and also video is especially made for students who doesn't understand Kannada language. So this is especially for non-Kannadigas or the students who doesn't understand Kannada language. So request has came, that's why I am doing it in English. Okay, so we'll understand first CIE. What is that? CIE is continuous internal evaluation. So here continuous internal evaluation, first of all it is doing for 100 marks, remember. Later it is scaled down to 50. First we'll speak about this 100, how they are going to conduct internal evaluation for 100. So first internal 20, second internal 20, third internal 20, okay, totally 60 is there, followed by first assignment 10, second assignment 10, followed by quiz or seminar, it is going to be 20. So overall marks is 100. Okay, so this is the total marks how they are taking. Next, in this how the student is going to be scored, that is important again. So now I will write down, for example, in the first internal the student out of 20, assume that he got 10. In the second internal he got 15. In the third internal, assume that he got 20. Okay, assignment, I think almost all the assignments, the every college is giving the marks, so I will make it out of out. First assignment 10, second assignment 10, quiz or seminar, assume that you got 10. Okay, now I am going to add all. So it is 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 20, 45, 45 plus 10, 55, 65, 75. So totally I am getting what? 75. Okay, so internal evaluation 75 out of 100 I am getting, right? Now I should scale down this value to 50. Okay, so if I scale down to 50, so I should divide 75 by 2. So what is 75 by 2? 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are, so it is approximately 8. Okay, so I got 38 out of 50. 75 out of 100, but 38 out of 50. So this is my internal marks. Okay, now the criteria they have mentioned is, just observe here. I will write what the marks I got for 50, it is 38. Now look at the criteria. So the criteria is you should get 40% of maximum marks. What is the maximum marks they have mentioned? 20. Okay, now that is about the internals. First internal 20, second internal 20, and third internal 20. Okay, so totally how much it is? 60. Maximum is 60, right? But they are taking what? 40% of 20 only. Means we should take the average of these three. Okay, so what I have written in the previous slide, it is first internal 10, second internal 15, third internal 20. So add it. How much you are getting? 20 plus 15, 35, 45. I am getting 45. Right? So total marks I am getting 45 out of 60. Right? So here this 45 you should divide it by 3. If I divide 45 by 3, what is the value I am getting? So 3 ones are, 3 5s are, right? 15 is the value I am getting. Correct? Okay. So the student, now I will rewrite, total marks he got for 50 is 38, and he is getting the average of 3 internals as 15, and what is the passing criteria is 40% of 20 marks. So what is the 40% of 20? So how can do it? 40 divided by 100 into 20. So it is 0 0 0 0. 2 4s are 8. So 8 is a passing marks for 20. So how much you are getting? 15. So you have passed the subject. You have cleared the subject. Okay, so what is the minimum marks for CIE to pass is 8 for 20. All you should understand this. But it is not only 20, we are taking another 30 and we are making it 50 by considering quiz and seminar. Okay, so if I consider quiz and seminar, obviously here the marks are going to be raised, and in the previous example we got it as 38. Okay, so overall what is the key point? For 20 you should get minimum average 8, then you clear the subject. Correct? That is a one part, and still it is not yet over. Then just observe now. Now SCE part is there. SCE is very simple. 100 marks they are conducting, you should take 35. 100 later they are reduced to 50, so it is going to be a 35 percentage of 100. So it is 50. 50 means here you should get 18. 35% of 50. So you can observe here 35% of semester end examination. So it becomes 18 for 50. So if you score in the external, the main exam, 18 out of 50 you will clear, or 35 out of 100 you will clear. Okay, now here I told semester end examination minimum you should get 18 for 50. Now the question is, look at this last clause. If I add CIE plus SEE, totally you should get 40% of the marks. 40% of the marks you should have, right? So here, now look at here. 40% of out of 100 you should get by considering CIE as well as SEE. SEE, what is the minimum passing marks? It is 18. 18 plus dash is equal to 40. This is a formula. 18 is semester end examination, SEE, and this must be CIE, and it is a total. So here what is 18 plus dash equal to 40? 18 plus 22 is equal to 40. Right? So 22 is the minimum marks you should score in your CIE, along with 8 out of 20 in the CIE. Okay, I will clearly write now. CIE plus SEE is equal to 40. CIE you should score 22, and SEE you should score 18, and overall it should be equal to 40. Now you can ask, SEE only 18 marks is there for 50, right? And you should score 22 in the CIE. That is the importance of internals. Why this marks is raised is because you are having quiz 20 marks, you are having assignments 20 marks. That's why this marks, whatever the minimum 22 is, automatically it is going to be increased. 8 is the theory average you are getting, but what about assignment? Minimum 20 you will get it. What about minimum 10 you will get? What about quiz? Minimum 10 you will get. So look at here, minimum 28 marks you will get it. So whatever the requirement, 22. Okay, so that is why you are going to clear in the main examination. The subject, overall subject, you are going to be clear. You are going to get pass if you have this equation: internal, external, or CIE, semester end examination. Okay, so this is the logic of theory examination. This is the formula of theory examination. Okay, I will clear the practical examination in this video only. In the practical examination, you should get 40% of marks. In 40% of marks in both CIE as well as in SEE. 40% of 100 means if they are conducting it for 100, 40% of 100 is obviously it is going to be 40 marks. Later they will reduce it for 50. What is 40 percentage of the 50 is 20. You should get minimum 20 marks in your practical to get eligibility to write the main examination. This is CIE. Similarly, it applies to semester end examination. They will conduct it for 100 and they will consider 40% of the marks, that is 40. So minimum you should have what? 20 out of 50. Right? So overall if I add both, so 20 plus 20, what it becomes? 40 out of 100. So you are cleared the examination in practical labs. I am speaking for 2021 examinations, 21 scheme students. So internal 20 you should get, and also in the external lab you should get 20 to clear the theory examination. Okay, so this is about the main examination. So conclude. Theory 18 plus 22 is equal to 40. Practical 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. So this is the formula. This is are the marks. These are the minimum marks you should take to get clear in the main examination. I hope students who understood. I strongly recommend the student who does understand the Kannada also watch this again for better understanding. Okay, any doubts you can put in the comment section. I will solve your doubts. Thank you, and follow the channel for more updates. Subscribe, share with your friends for better understanding. Okay, thank you.